We'll guide you through how to adjust DaVinci Resolve render settings to get the best output for your project. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and make sure your project is ready for export. Once your project timeline is set up, you need to navigate to the Deliver page. This is where all the magic happens for rendering. In the Deliver page, you'll see a panel on the left-hand side titled Render Settings. Here, you can choose from various presets, but let's customize them for your needs. Click on Custom, which allows you to manually adjust different settings. Start by selecting the format you want to render in, such as QuickTime or MP4, which are common choices. Under Codec, you might want to choose H.2C4 or H.2C5 for a good balance of quality and file size. Next, adjust the resolution to match your project's needs, whether it's 1920 by 1080 for Full HD or 3840 by 2160 for 4K. Also, make sure to set the frame rate to match your original footage, which is crucial for maintaining smooth playback. Scroll down to Advanced Settings, where you can fine-tune the bitrate. A higher bitrate means better quality but larger file size, so find a balance that works for you. If you're planning to upload to platforms like YouTube, you might also want to check the Network Optimization box. Don't forget to set your render destination by clicking Browse to choose where the file will be saved. Once everything is set, hit Add to Render Queue, and then Start Render in the Render Queue panel on the right. This will begin the rendering process. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your render settings in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.